Alright, so I did all of this. Come on, camera, focus. So there you go. So I did all of this. Inside of here, I got pepper jack cheese, 2 eggs, bacon, mushrooms, and guess what I forgot to put in there? My spinach. Woohoo! So now I have to unwrap and put my spinach in there. So I just wanted to show you how nice it looked before I did all of that. Oh, and I have mushrooms. Did I say mushrooms? I probably did. And I put a half tablespoon of this cheese in there too. So let me see. Let me figure out how to unwrap this and wrap it back up. So, look how it looks now. Don't talk about it. It's trying its best. I unwrapped it. Let me show y'all. Unwrapped it and rewrapped it with the spinach. And that's what it looks like. Okay, you guys. So, I wanted to share this new find that my son found. I don't know if you guys tried this before, but they are called Nudge, and they're like coffee little like chips. It sort of reminds me of a Reese's Pieces, how the coating of a Reese's Pieces is, and then it's coffee flavored. This is so freaking good. They are called coffee bombs, and they are keto friendly. You can eat 11 pieces, only 2 carbs. They are so good. I love these. You got to stop yourself from eating these, truthfully. Okay, you guys, so this is going to be lunch and dinner. I am just going to be making some salmon, fish. You know how I feel about that. But I'm just going to be making some. And I'm going to be making it in a lemon garlic cream sauce. I'm going to put it over some cauliflower rice, and I'm going to add some spinach, okay? So I'm just going to make this one piece. I'm going to take the skin off because I don't like the skin on mine. I know some people loves the skin. If I'm baking it in the oven, it's not so bad, but I don't like it when I'm like pan searing it. I don't really like it with the skin on. So let's get on into it. I have no idea why my fish have these ridges in there, and I don't like that. It made it look like chicken to me. So I just seasoned with Old Bay and Italian seasoning. And we're going to let that cook. I'm going to start my sauce. I'm going to take these out.
Where would it be?
So I can start making my sauce.
Where would it be?
It should be in the drawer.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that.
So now we are just going to add a tablespoon of butter, and we're going to add our garlic and our lemon zest and our tomatoes. So I zest about a half a lemon to put in here, because we're going to also squeeze a lot of lemon juice in here. And for this seasoning, we're going to be using lemon pepper seasoning.
Every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas without all tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas I keep so near. Every light, every song, every friend that comes along. A very Merry Christmas to you. Sing along to the song, make a wish, grab a kiss, put another record on, wake the neighbors, having fun.
All right. Want y'all get y'all bite first. Look at that. That's y'all bite. Yes. Let me tell y'all something. It might not look it, but it is giving what it is supposed to be given. Oh wow. Yes. Okay. Okay, lemon. It's really good. I'm gonna put some more sauce on here too. Here, let me let y'all taste this one. Wow.
Every soul from every friend that comes along. Very Merry Christmas to you.